Butterball. Butterball's so cute. Hey, Butterball. Bye, Butterball. Yeah, ow, ow, ow. The rocks, ow. It's just so hot in the sunlight. Step on those, it hurts. But yeah, those are the birdhouses. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making bird noises part 2. Hey chickens. Chickens. Hey chickens. Oh. But yeah, I'm making some more bird noises. Oh, look at the little ones. Hey little chickens. Yeah, but let's do the bird noises part 2. I'll do different ones from last time. Hey guys, hey! Hey Buffy J! Hey! Hey Hannah Jr. Hey guys! Hey! Hey Chips! Oh, hey Macy! Hey guys! Let's go on. Oh, no, you don't want my pet. Okay, but anyways, let's go on with the bird noise video. Okay. Some of them aren't bird noises. And some of them I probably did in the last video. Okay, let's do... Diamond, our cat, one of our cats meowing when she wants something. Okay. Here's a coyote. Okay, now let's do some birds. Here's a black-capped chickadee. 2 ways. Here's another way. Here's a pigeon. There's Aslan down there. Hey, Aslan! Hey, kitty! Hey, Aslan! Oh, he's so cute. Let's go see Aslan, guys. Sorry, I know there's a lot of interruptions in this video. Aslan, oh, gotta go. Hot rocks. Hey, Aslan, you just stay in this shady, good boy? We saw a cat at a bird store earlier. It was orangish. His name was Luther, yeah. Yeah, Aslan, such a good kitty. 4 cats you've seen, Butterball and Aslan. They're both boys. Diamond, you're probably not going to see her. She's a calico. She's really skittish. She only likes my mom. But there's Holstina. She's another girl cat we have. Hey, Holstina. How's it going, Holstina, kitty? Such a good kitty, Holstina. Oh, there's Diamond. Diamond, the cat.
Diamond knows better than the rest of Holstina cat.
Yeah. Don't mess with Aslan or Holstina. Hi, Diamond. Yeah, Holstein and Aslan are the biggest outdoor cats. Hey, Holstein, kitty. You say hi to the camera? Yeah, kitty. Hey, Diamond, you want some food? Holstein. Let's get you some food. Eat up, Holstein. There she is. Eating as can be. Yeah, she's a big outdoor cat, so is Aslan. Butterball's a little... Oh. Hey, Aslan.
There's a chicken in here.
Oh, there's a chicken in here.
Is Daddy resting?
I think so. Come on. Hey, Pepper. Let's go on, Pepper. Yeah. Get out. Okay. So you guys actually saw Diamond. That's pretty cool. Let's move on with some bird noises. The pileated woodpecker. A baby chicken. Bald eagle. A hawk. Kestrel. Cat hissing. Shh. Rattlesnake. Shh. A pheasant. yeah, let's do a singing sparrow. Okay, let's let the little baby chickies out. Hey guys, you want out? Come on, we got two, in the baby chickie batch, we got 2 roosters. We have 1 rooster and Randy. Oh, Randy's at the neighbor's house, but you guys know Randy. Hey chickies, do you guys want out? You can always, they'll figure it out. Yeah. I'm trying to think of other bird noises. But yeah, look in the link in the description below. You can go to the first bird noise video I made. I made a lot of other bird noises. But yeah, I think I'll have all kinds of parts to this. But I think I could probably make it so I only have to have 2 parts. Oh, here's a guinea hen. Or a guinea fowl, whatever. Oh, good, baby chickens. Okay, you can't really see them, but they're just like staring. Here's a squirrel. Here's a peacock. But yeah, if you guys live in Washington, go to Sequim. It's a town, Sequim, and definitely visit the wild bird place. It's awesome. I met the lady there. They have a cute little cat. I just said his name earlier, Luther. Definitely go check that out. You can check out the Facebook. It's called Wild Birds Unlimited. I don't know if they have a YouTube channel, but they definitely have a Facebook. You can see me making bird noises there. You can see all kinds of awesome bird stuff because birds rule. Birds are amazing. So yeah, but yeah, guys, definitely check that out. Hey, look, one got out. Hey, lady. Oh, wait. Okay, there she is. Hey, lady, you got out? There's a waxy one inside there. Randy's still at the neighbors, our big black rooster. But yeah, if you know there's bird noises that I've made different times, those are in the video and link description below. There's a lot more bird noises there. I'm trying to think of something else. Let's see. I can do a pheasant when it's flushing. I can do a parakeet. Well, any tropical bird. This is a parakeet. You know Ocean, he always does that. My parakeet, Ocean. That's a mourning dove when it's doing its mating call. Their normal call, like you saw in the last video, was But yeah, I think that's gonna be about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, come on, guys, you know to go through the door. Go, guys. You wanna help me chase the chickens out? Let's chase the chickens. The baby's out of there. I'll be right back in a second. Okay, look, when I got here, I started to figure it out. How's it going, Buffy J? Hey, Buffy J. Hey, Chips. Come on, guys, the outside world's out there. Go with Waxy. Come on. Come on, Gingy. You wanna look at the camera? Hey guys, look at the camera. Say cheese. See, look, that's yourself, guys. You can see yourself. Yeah. Oh, well, let's try to get them out. I'll be back. No, look at them all. They're just, oh, hey, Buffy J. How's it going? How's it going, Buffy J? Look at all of them. Come on, guys, out here, out here, out here. I was going to crawl through into there because we don't have a gate because this is only a temporary run. But it's not. Sorry for the bad filming because I can't really turn this over. How's it going, guys? Hey, Hannah Jr. How's it going, Hannah Jr.? Here, I need to chase him out the other way. Okay. I'll be right back. Guys, we are in the coop. Say hey, everyone. Hey. Hey. Come on. Hey, how's it going? Oh. Hey, everyone. Come on. There's no way out of here, guys. Oh, look at Liddy. Okay, that's it. I have to manually take him out. Okay. You guys can watch. Okay, here we go. Set the camera down there. Okay, they're just looking at the camera. Okay. Okay, never mind. Over here. Come on, chickies. Come on, chickies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Over here, guys. Okay. Let's set the camera down here. Come on. Here. Over here. Come on, Buffy J. Go, Buffy J. Whoa. Sorry, Buffy J. Oh, come on. Come on. Get you out, Sappy. Come on, Cosmic. Oh, Cosmic. Got Cosmic, guys. They can fly very well. Oh, come on, Chips. Be the last one, Chips. Come on. Chips. Check out how beautiful Chips is. Yeah. Well, there's about 2 left. I'll just get them out. You guys don't really need to see it, do ya? Well, smell you guys later. Bye, guys. Smell you later. Smell you later. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, but we got Lacey and Baron in here still. Yeah, so, yeah. Okay. Well, bye, guys. Smell you later. I guess bye. Bye, guys. Smell you later.